Hi there, students. A nicety, very often in the plural, the niceties. Okay, a nicety or the niceties are the elegant, delicate, civilized features. So it's really nice to enjoy the niceties of life. The nicety of perfect table manners. Yeah. Um, the quality of attention to detail, delicate exactness. But with this phrase, the phrase I really like, or the collocation I like, is look, I haven't got time for the niceties. Yeah, I haven't got time for the polite bit of conversation. How's your father? How's your mother? How your family? How's work? How you been doing? No, are you coming with me tomorrow? Yes or no? Yeah. So the niceties, the little civilized features, the subtleties, the nuances, the slight distinctions. So don't explain the legal niceties to me because I'm just not going to understand them. The nuances, the shades of meaning. Yeah. Let's see. If you can be understood well by native speakers, then the niceties of exact English pronunciation are probably less important. So niceties, exactness, rigorousness. So we timed our arrival to a nicety. We got it exactly right. So this phrase, an idiomatic phrase, to a nicety, exactly right. I got the amount of food that I bought right to a nicety. Everyone ate everything, everyone was full, and there was nothing left over. So a nicety is a small detail, a small difference, a small nuance that's only clear if you think about it very clearly. Let's see. In my house, we don't bother with most of the social niceties. Yeah, they're less important than doing the real thing. So he explained the niceties of the grammar structure to me, the very slight differences. In these nuance videos where I explain the difference between two words, I try to explain the niceties of meaning, the subtle shades of difference in the meaning between the two. So the niceties of etiquette, the niceties of diplomacy. Okay, so niceties, precise, exact treatment, delicacy, scrupulousness. Yeah, the small details, the subtle distinctions, elegant, refined features, the niceties of life. Let's see. Have you ever travelled first class in an aeroplane? Well, I've certainly never paid for it, but I have been upgraded in the past. So the niceties of travelling first class, you get your champagne and you get more space, but well, I think it's certainly a lot more economic to travel in the back. Okay, so the niceties of that. I don't want to observe the niceties of social protocol. I don't want to go through all the subtle, delicate points. Let's just get down to the nitty-gritty. So I guess a nicety, a nuance, a subtlety, a refinement, a shade of meaning. Yeah, so I think maybe legal niceties, social niceties. To judge something to a nicety, to get it absolutely right. Okay, so niceties. Formality, that's an interesting one. I think I'd probably give it 4.5 in formality. Use it definitely informally. Use it semi-formal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing. I'm not sure it sounds very good in something very formal. Yeah, and then it comes from the word nice. Yeah, a nicety, something nice, which itself comes from Latin, believe it or not, nescius, meaning ignorant or not knowing. So I guess somebody who doesn't know doesn't understand the niceties. So I think I've probably been through all the niceties of nicety. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nicety, niceties, the niceties.